Today I'm diving deep into Teladoc Health, a major name in virtual healthcare that's been around for a while and claims to offer fast, easy access to doctors, therapists, and medical experts across a wide range of specialties. I've used Teladoc over the course of a few months for general checkups, mental health sessions, and even to ask questions about minor symptoms that didn't seem urgent enough to go to a clinic for. Let's talk about how it really works. Once you sign up, the platform asks you a series of health-related questions to build a profile. It's fairly intuitive, and setting up an account only took me about 10 minutes. I connected my insurance information, which they verified almost instantly. Without insurance, prices are listed to the front, and they vary depending on the type of visit: general, mental health, dermatology, etc. That transparency is a plus. Teladoc is available through both desktop and mobile apps. I personally found the mobile version smoother and less prone to glitches than the website, especially when joining video consultations. The quality of the video and audio was good, and I didn't experience any major lag. The interface is clean and modern, though I wish they made notifications more customizable. It's easy to miss appointment reminders unless you manually adjust settings. Scheduling is where things started to get a little inconsistent. For general care, I could get an appointment within a few hours. For mental health, I had to wait a week, sometimes more, depending on the time and day. The therapists were professional and empathetic, but the availability didn't always match what the site promised. There were also some issues with canceling or rescheduling appointments. It often required reaching out to support, which felt like an unnecessary hurdle. I was one name away from diagnosing myself. Then I remembered it's 2025, opened Air Dior, found a doctor, and finally exhaled. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Customer service is hit or miss. There's a health center with decent FAQs, but when I needed real-time assistance with a billing error, the response was delayed. It took multiple follow-ups to get a refund process for a visit that was canceled due to provider unavailability. Medical advice I received was generally sound and matched what I'd expect from an in-person visit. Doctors asked thorough questions and explained their reasoning behind treatment suggestions. Prescriptions were sent directly to my pharmacy without issue, though be aware that not all medications can be prescribed via Teladoc due to regulations. One of the standout features is their mental health offering. Once you're able to book a consistent therapist, the quality of care is solid. The platform includes options for therapy, psychiatry, and coaching. It's a lifesaver if you're in a location with limited access to in-person providers, though again, availability can be limited depending on demand. Overall, Teladoc Health does offer a legitimate alternative to traditional healthcare, but it's not perfect. Expect convenience, but with occasional frustrations around scheduling and support. It's worth considering if you're looking for flexibility or don't have access to reliable local care. If consistency and real-time availability are important to you, it might be wise to explore a few alternatives as well before settling. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.